how to record incoming calls on Android phone without any app. For that, you need to first of all make sure that you have a screen recorder in your device. So when you drag it down, you can easily find it here in the app menu, but if you don't find here, then you can simply tap on three dotted line at the upper right corner and tap on edit titles. So here it is written more functions. So you need to swipe and find it around here. Here I can see screen recording. You can simply tap on this plus menu or plus button and add to the app menu titles. So now when you swipe to the right or find around, you can easily see the screen recording is here. So whenever any calls or incoming calls are received on Android phone, you need to first of all start the incoming calls, and after that you can simply hold on this screen recording. And if you want to record both system sound and microphone sound, you need to toggle on in this way, and after that you can easily record the incoming calls on Android phone without any app with the help of these inbuilt screen recorder in your device. So I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching.